The Through-House project was crafted for a billiards-loving doctor and his two daughters seeking solace away from the city in San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines. Nestled within a gated community of modest plots, the design sought to expand the perception of space on the relatively small lot. The design achieved a calm and liberating ambience by embracing thoroughness in various aspects: space, views, light, ventilation, connectedness, and interaction. The concept began by reimagining the conventional enclosed structure, removing two opposite walls to foster spatial continuity. This arrangement, akin to a stack of alternating planes, informed the layout across different levels, tailored to the site's orientation and requirements. The living areas seamlessly extend to the outdoors, with the front lawn and formal dining space flanking either side. A double-height dining hall promotes ventilation through the operable windows in the second-floor hallway that draw air out. The billiard hall features a pocket garden and a balcony offering views of the front lawn. A continuous bench-like element integrates the swimming pool, enhancing the sense of expansiveness stitching the living area and father's room. This was the product of enclosing two planes to make the bathroom private. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.